All right, so in type 2 hypersensitivity, this is what we call cytotoxic hypersensitivity. So this again is antibody mediated, and basically the antibody binds to healthy cells. And then targets them for destruction. So this is pretty tissue specific. And so let's say you have your little body cell. So your organ here. Okay, so this is the body. And for whatever reason, and this could be that an antigen has latched onto the body cell and the antibody is just targeting the whole complex, or it's just the organ itself. So these are going to be IgG antibodies. These are IgGs. And there are different things. Remember, antibodies don't kill cells. They get other things to do that. So, this antibody could, one thing it does is it will latch onto the body cell and then start the complement cascade. And if it does that, then that's going to, cause opsonization, increased inflammation, the MAC attack thing. Okay, so that's going to target this body cell. Okay, it can also be like a macrophage. Is it better? So macrophage. So where this antibody is kind of acting like an opsonin and saying, oh, come over here and get this. All right. It can also trigger natural killer cells. So it can also bring those in as well. So these things, the complement cascade, macrophages, these are examples of cytotoxic mechanisms. Okay. So if the problem comes just from the cell itself, okay, so it's an intrinsic hypersensitivity, so it's against the cell. All right. If an antigen attaches itself to the body cell and that's causing the antibodies to the body to target the cell, even though it's the antigen on the cell, then that's an extrinsic type 2 hypersensitivity. So it's where the antigen attaches itself to the cell, to the healthy cell. So examples of this are things like Graves' disease, All right, so Graves' disease, that's, thyroid. The thyroid hormone receptors are messed up. Myasthenia gravis. So that's where the acetylcholine receptors at the neuromuscular junction are being attacked. So in this cases here, the receptors are being blocked. In Graves' disease, they bind to the receptor and activate it, overactivate it. Okay, so you get that hyperthyroidism in the muscle. They just blocks it so that it can't be activated. So it's muscle atrophy occurs there. Those are the main ones. So that's hypersensitivity type 2. The next one we'll talk about type 3.